Hi friends, I'm Malcolm, your 90 HPT tutor from A1 Australia Education Group. Today I'm going to talk about the very important task of reorder paragraphs, which is a task in the reading section. I'm going to share some important tips and strategies. Hope it helps you out. The first thing is always try to find out the introductory sentence, which will generally be an independent sentence, and it will also be a broader sentence, which is generally easy to pick up from the list of paragraphs. Tip number 2, you can also look at concluding words like hence, therefore, thus. If you find such a word in the beginning of a sentence, mostly it's going to be the last sentence of your reorder paragraph sequence. The next important tip is try to find names and referring pronouns. For example, Dr. John was born in Malaysia. He was a pioneer in the field of biology. So who is he? He is Dr. John. Dr. John is a noun, he is a pronoun. Try to find and match nouns with pronouns. The other thing is subject, verb, object. For example, Malcolm is a tutor, he is lazy. So the way one sentence ends, the next sentence will pick up from there. And the last important tip is try to see if there are any years, dates or numbers or basically a timeline like 1920, 1925, 1935. Many times you might be able to form a sequence. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us for more such videos. I'm Malcolm.